I have known some people to go on a 10-day fast and not get very sick. But I investigated the case and I found out that these people were about 350 pound. They had not had exposure to chemicals through their life. So maybe what they were releasing from their fat stores weren't as toxic as maybe someone else. So this is one of the remarkable things that science is now showing us as to the reason why people are recovering from serious illnesses when they go through a fast. Because a fast could be called a detox. It could be called a cleanse. Because as the fat stores get broken up, they are releasing the environmental poisons. And on the first lecture that I gave, where I talked about the true cause of disease and all the little microorganisms, do you remember a lot of those microorganisms? Their role on planet Earth are the garbage collectors. So if we've got a lot of garbage in our body, a lot of environmental poisons, that can be a fruitful ground for them to grow. So fasting, if someone does fasting today, my suggestion is only go 2 days. In his book, Dr. Michael Mosley's book, The Fast Diet, he goes a little bit further. And there are quite a few scientists today are showing that fasting affects the brain. And what they are showing is that after not eating for, I think it's 24 hours. So not eating for 24 hours, the brain releases a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor. And brain-derived neurotrophic factor is a protein that stimulates neurogenesis. So fasting not only helps to rid our fat, stores of built-up environmental poisons, especially, as you saw, if you nutritionally support the body. Fasting also stimulates the release of the protein, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which stimulates neurogenesis. Do you know what neurogenesis means? New brain cells. Now, this discovery was made in 1998. Up until that time, it was understood that when the brain cells died, they were gone. And that is true. Once the brain cell dies, it's gone. It cannot regrow. But under the right conditions, brain-derived neurotrophic factor is released, which causes neurogenesis.